I found the reason. Suddenly I'm not so alone. I'm finally breathing like I never could on my own. Start the countdown, let's get it on. Scream our lungs out to our favorite song, 'cause this is where I belong. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. This is Where I Belong by like 3 different bands. It's Simple Plan, We the Kings, and State Champs. So yeah, if you guys have other song requests, let me know. The song was requested, so yeah, let me know in the comments, all right? So we're gonna get into this one. It's gonna be not standard tuning. This is a half step down. That's whenever I use this guitar, that's why, because I keep this one in a half step down. So half step down, you don't need a capo or anything, and I'm showing you a little bit more of an acoustic version, kind of like, just because I don't want to be super loud to my neighbors and stuff, but this song is really cool. I love it. There's only a handful of chords you're going to need to know for it, okay? So you're going to need to know E. Okay, E, put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret, okay, on the G string. Okay, you're also going to do A. Okay, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pinky finger goes on the 2nd fret on the B string. All right, then you're also going to do B. I'm just playing the power chord way, all right, because you're going to go from C sharp minor to B, so I'm just playing it like a power chord, okay? So like B minor, but without the middle finger on it, okay? So what you're going to do for that is you're going to put your pointer finger, you're going to bar from the 2nd fret, and if you can't bar it, just try, and it'll at least mute the other strings. So you're going to bar from the 2nd fret on the A string, okay, and then all the way down, and you're going to put your ring finger, it goes on the 4th fret on the D string, sorry, and your pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the G string. Okay, like that. All right, and you're also going to do C sharp minor for that. Just keep your hands on here, slide up 2 frets, so you're going to be barring from the 4th fret on the A string down to, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 6th fret on the D string, and your pinky on the 6th fret on the G string. Okay, last one you're going to use F sharp minor. Okay, F sharp minor, you're going to be barring from the E down. Again, if you can't bar, just play it like a power chord, all right? So you're going to be barring from the 2nd fret on the big E string down, and you're going to put your ring finger. Okay, my middle finger's not doing anything for this one, it's just there. So you're going to put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky goes on the 4th fret on the D string. Okay, so I'll show you how you play this song now. So the beginning, the intro part, all you're playing is E. So you're doing E, okay, down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, okay? You play this part at different parts in the song, like after the chorus at different points, and at the end of the song, but you're just going to do down, up, down, down, up, 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 okay? Just down, up, down, down, up. All right, just like that. You're going to play it like 8 times. I mean, you can play it less if you want or more, because if you're playing it just for friends or something, you may not want to do that. But if you're playing it with the music, you just do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, you do it twice as long as I just did. It's kind of a long intro, all right? Then what you're going to do next is, for the verses for this song are super easy. I'm going to show you a couple different things you can do. If you're just playing this by yourself, you might want to like palm mute it. I'm looking in the rearview mirror, everything looks the same. Okay, so palm muting, you just put this part of your hand as close as you can to that like white bridge right there, okay? Not on that, but right in front of it, and then you're gonna pluck the bass notes. I'm looking in the rearview mirror. Okay, you can do that because they do like some, okay. All right, so you could let it ring out. So you could do, I'm looking in the rearview mirror, everything looks the same. Okay, so you could just do single strums as well. What they do in the song is they're going to do more of, okay, like down, up, down, and then mute. Okay, so you're going to do, I'm looking in the rearview mirror, everything looks the same. Okay, so you're going to do that. So you're just going to do down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute. Okay, so it starts with E. And I'm just going to do single strums just to show you where it is, but it's single strum. I'm looking, so you do E right before I'm, all right? I'm looking in the rearview mirror, then you do it again, E. Everything looks the same. Then after same, you do A. Okay? There's nothing but broken street lights. Okay, then for this part, you're gonna go to F sharp minor, A, E. All right, so like Faye kind of, but you're gonna do, and then here you're gonna do, and I'm just trying to escape. Okay, so you're gonna do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. All right, like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. All right, just like that. So you're gonna do on and you're gonna start doing F sharp minor, and that's where you're gonna strum it like that. And I'm just trying is A, trying to escape. Okay, escape is E, escape. Then you're gonna stay on E. I'm waiting on a distant feeling. Then you do E again. I'm waiting for things to change. And then after change you do A. It's getting hard to ride on empty. And then whenever you go to the F sharp minor, you're gonna go do that same thing again. So you do but is F sharp minor. But maybe I'm not is A, not so far away. Okay, away, you're gonna do B. Away. Down, down, up, down. Cause it feels, and it feels as A, so you just do single strum here. Feels like home. And that same strumming pattern that you do for the F, A, E part, you're gonna do for the chorus. So you're gonna start with E, all right? You're gonna do down, up, down, up, all right? I found the reason. Suddenly I'm not so alone. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, just that down, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right. So you're gonna do E. I found the reason. Suddenly I'm not so alone. Okay, the end of alone you're gonna do A. Alone. Finally breathing. So after breathing, you're gonna do breathing like I never could on my own. Okay, then after own, you're gonna do C sharp minor. Own, start the countdown, let's get it on. Okay, so you go from C sharp minor to B. On, you're gonna switch to B. On, scream our lungs out to our okay, favorite song is where you're gonna do A. Favorite song. Cause this is where I belong. Okay, belong is E. Long. And then here you're gonna do. You do the same thing you did at the beginning. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, down, up, down, down, up, mute. Down, up, down, up, mute. Okay, then you do the second verse. You do the same as the first one, except for them, the second time they do in this verse for the second half of the verse. In the second verse, for the second half of it, you're going to be palm muting it. That's what they're doing, okay, the whole time for that. And then you do the second chorus. When you get to the bridge, you're going to have a little bit of a different chord progression. You're going to do C sharp minor, okay? And you can just do this like you did the chorus. Look past the warning signs. Okay, so you're going to do A. The C sharp minor is look past the warning signs. Then A. Same ones that told me. Then B. Alright, B is where you go to U. Yeah, you can't turn back and run. Play it safe. Okay, safe is where you're gonna do A. Safe before you come undone. Okay, then you're gonna do C sharp minor. Alright, on if. So you're just gonna start over. So you did C sharp minor, A, B, A. And you're gonna do that similarly. You're gonna do C sharp minor here on if. If you saw through my eyes. Then you do A after eyes. This view is worth it. Can't believe. Believe is B. So that's easy. Believe when I say there's no place in this world I'd rather be. Okay, so you're just gonna stay on. You're gonna do C sharp minor, A, B, A, C sharp minor, A, B, and just stay on B. You're not gonna do the second A. Then you go right after B. You're gonna go into the chorus, and you're gonna do. I found the reason. Suddenly I'm not so alone. Okay, when you play that last chorus for the first couple of lines, you're just gonna do it. You're gonna play the higher sounding notes. Okay, so you're gonna play like G, B, and E the most. Okay, so you're gonna do. I found the reason. Suddenly I'm not so alone. Finally, let's see. I'm finally breathing like I never could on my own. And then when you get to own, you're on C sharp minor, that's where you're gonna start playing it louder. Start the countdown, let's get it on. Let's scream our lungs out to our favorite song. Cause this is where I belong. And then you're gonna repeat the chorus a second time for that. When you end the song, you're just gonna do the same thing you did at the intro. Just like that, okay? The other thing is, if you want in the bridge, you can actually play it like, you can just do down, 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 down. Or you can actually kind of be lifting off your fingers and going down. So you, okay, you can do that as well. But that's like a little bit more technical. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It was really fun learning this song. And yeah, see me next time.